So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your brake pads on the Q50, the sport brakes. It's really simple, easy and fast. Pretty much take off the wheel. Right here, you're gonna take off the two pins right here that we have. But first, make sure you take out these little things right here. They're gonna be like right here. I'll show you once I do the other side. But it's just simple. Take out the two pins. Take out the little, I don't know, guard, whatever you want to call it. And just wiggle them, pull them out, put the new ones in. Then let you do what you did to take them off, and that's it. Oh yeah, something you shouldn't forget. Make sure you come over here when you have your brake fluid. Take off the little cap so it's easy to open the pistons. That's it. So you want to make sure you take out the pins and then put them back in. They go right here on the hole. They're kind of tough, but make sure you put it all the way in like that, nicely. When you top, that's pretty much it. That's how you change brake pads, the sport version.